Hello, everybody. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, my beautiful people. I greet you, I greet you, I appreciate you, I love this Vera TV program in the building. Oh yes, guys. 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 So I make I greet you now this afternoon. Oh yes, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Oh yes, wherever you are. So my beautiful people out there, I greet you, appreciate you a lot. Thank you very much. God will bless you now. Thank you, appreciate you so much. So this this video I want to make today, it go for this lady. You understand? This video go for Lolo. This message, I'm sending this message for Lolo and those people out there. I don't want to do a live video. I just want to do short video to post it on my Pursue the Enter House TV. And please, my Pursue the Enter House TV, it remains small more will feed the two live video for there. Please try to subscribe to Pursue the Enter House TV. God will bless you. Now, some more remain we don't dey near. We'll soon start live video. Then God will bless you. Please, if you never subscribe, you jam that video. Please subscribe to that my channel. Jam this my channel. It's Pursue the Enter House TV. Please, is my channel. Please subscribe so that we do get things for there too, my people. Please, I beg una, 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 I beg una. I beg my beautiful people. So now, what we want to talk about today is message to Lolo. Because there is a video when I do last time about Monica and Lolo, of which Monica, beautiful lady, say, but we know they mention her name, they write and join. You understand? So what I want to bring out today, many people they call me, why me go talk like that? Me they support Monica, me they support Monica. No, not beside they support Monica. Let me talk the truth for where the truth is. You people should leave me alone. Because I wonder why calling me, don't talk put oh, not talk put again no, he don't resolve juju oh, he don't resolve this oh, he don't talk to this oh, he don't talk to that. Is that your fucking business? Because me, I don't understand why some people they don't mind their business. If I like, I support Monica, it not concern anybody. Una know why? Because this life, more would they talk the truth for where the truth. This platform is platform of truth. All my platforms, Vera TV program, Pursue the Enter House TV, Vera Comedy TV, is platform of truth. I know they say truth make I the burner. They say Monica don't fair do you before. Monica be a bad person. You not fair cause you before. Now I still let you know. I still tell me from wanna come and still tell you say Mona man on business. Fine, Monica carry my matter come talk. But una they forget so soon say Monica not purposely sit down. Carry my matter say na me. She won't come the course. I'm not dumb, I'm not fool like all those people. Okay? Monica did not sit down one day and said, now you me won't come carry your matter, they talk. You know they. All those matter when they call the turn on Monica this, Monica that, when people call the talk now bad person or many people. If we say me we really sit down and talk this matter, you not get men, you not get when Monica you sit down, you go bring your matter, they talk. Una forget all those matter. Now people, now you carry and go give Monica. My own, when these people now about 5 people don't call me, you know what Monica do to you last year, you're not supposed to support Monica, you're not supposed to side Monica. I sit on a point of correction. If the sticking useless shameless people, when they call themselves sister, not be my sister, sisters, no go because of hatred, babelek, jealousy. Go meet Monica, say Monica, do and make it for wrong, enter us. Do and make it for pursue and make it for sit down for me. Not be the social media all of the content today. Without when I start, they didn't support me. But now the social media all of the content. The one with open page, they put videos, they do this, they do that. The one where they mad, they naked. They lie, they want to use me come and say, without they don't know me. If you don't put because they know me before now. Yes? They cannot say you and Vera. They must first put Vera first because why they don't know me before now. They carry my matter because they don't say they think say I start for Facebook, I go stop and not stop. I can't enter page, play, I don't they go. They try to bring me down. Oh, born pikin, they say, for example, If they say me they look all those things, now my thing that they beat me put. This matter not born and born pikin. If people when it gets sense really dey, if not be jealousy and bad belle my people. Now me get something. Now me una dey beat put. Now me una dey bring come outside. Now me una dey tell the world, not be your own. How much man not take it? Not be you get how much man not give you school fees. Now my own. And you they still have the guts and the mind to say, hey, you don't do this. So and when you ask them, were you the one that bring her to abroad? They will say no. We una can't see something. Just to see hatred. He won't pass us. At the end, look at me today now. At the end, just look at me today. Because they didn't fight me with truth. When you want to fight somebody, fight him with truth. And let that person come for you first. You know why my God they fight them today? Because why? I not fair come for the first. May I just remove Monica? No, don't be the rest. May I just remove Monica? Monica. She. You don't know me, I don't know her. Now the kind mama to go give Monica. Now Monica talk her. Of which this one when he gets paid, pay her 50,000. The money said not be her own. When she can't call every day, they lie. Truth go rich last year. He give them money. No. Can you imagine they go my Instagram, they'll go right. They go my Facebook, they'll go comment. They go here, the one narrate me. Now so I get this for us. Now so I get that one for us. Now they take start to. I don't worry, I don't stick care. If I see someone, I go block them. They go say, what thing they go do to bring me down? Now they go call Monica. They say they want bring this one come for us. They won't bring the call. They just check abroad. Oh. Yeah. If you find my picture for roadwork, no bother. If you find men when they sleep with me for this abroad, not just bother. If you say that my TOT you want fine, may you put for social media, not yours bother. If na man when he don't sleep with her 3 years, 4 years back, now you define no bother. Or if na man last year or 2 years ago you define, no yours bother because you know go see. I have clean things in this Europe. Go reach the Africa. I get pikin, not be new thing. Now man they take care of pikin. Not be woman, not be carry me come abroad. Me and I'm not there. Now me struggle by myself. Me as a woman struggle come. The man useless. I dey pity some women out there. You go there, my bikini. You are fooling yourself. You can say you be mother. That is your own cup of tea. Many men struggle come abroad like this to video when I handle man. He struggle come abroad. Sister carry and come also for his children. Now man go sit down back home. So they don't know when you take enter. Then you go come enter finish. You go come they do a shishi up and down. They were doing all those things for me to leave my husband to go and do a shower when I not do before. Me, I stand for my word. Many people get HIV for this abroad. Abroad cover many things and the weather. Many people get what it cost past HK for body. I cannot please somebody displace myself. As far I not buy them. They go there. Their papa never die, my people. They bring a condipa. To be frank, as I said, the man not send them. Just that the man is still foolish man. I wait till they tell and I believe. You understand? Because they say, me they chop money. Me they do this one, me they fine. But they forget when I never find that they laugh me, say me they smell. When you good, then you go talk. When you not get, they go talk. When you get, they go talk. When you not get, they go talk. They forget when I never they deal well like this. But they laugh me. You go stay with man. You know the shame. That man not get fish. You not get. But at the end today, make they bring their stinking. Do you want to say they marry Oyibo? We not just sit them with the Oyibo one day. We don't know they wonder why. But my people now don't see my man now. Yes. We now don't see my man. Now the senior one and one as the mumu one will be pizza. We now don't see him man. Waiting man they be for abroad. To drive, to come there where, to come there okay for abroad easy. So he was saying, easy. You do and make we see. Work, make you use your hand money. Take do and buy card. If you know you belly full, you not go fit. Then when they send my husband to go, what is marriage? If I want to do marriage, forget. Me, I know yours good there. All the money when it work, they back car, you rich me take do for us. The one when they do the driver when he walk, they do the driver license if I can get the license. He reach me. They do for my wedding gun. Oh, but I cannot be inside doing marriage in the really la be doing put it for But if me come down for car, forget. Ring I fit go market. I forget before me throw. I go put off one. Who cares whether you marry or you no marry? At the end, they call the food themselves. So back to my topic again. So I want those people when they say me they support Monica, I go support Monica to the core. Me, I go support Monica to the core. Unwa cry, make it cry. Unwa die, make it die. Unwa faint, make it faint. Because Monica did not come to me. Since I started my live video, Monica never come near me, come cause me. Now they carry my matter, go give her, and she talk. No man. But Lolo, when he left, not let her come. Now more feeling of Femieke because this jealous acts. My beautiful women, beautiful men out there, if you want to make it, don't jealous anybody. Don't jealous your brother or sister. Don't jealous your friend. Don't jealous your anybody around you. That is what killing some people out there. Me, I don't because I don't get the belief that when I jealous you, what will I gain? When I can't jealous you, wait till you get, you no go give me. Wait till you get your things when you get, you not go put my name and me be your next of king. So if I can't jealous you now, what will I gain? After all, I've never spent decades, 1 decade in abroad. I'm like this. I still give God Almighty the glory. I still give you the thanks. I still thank you, God. I thank you, Almighty God. So why will I be shouting? Why will I be killing myself? God's too much for me. God too do for me. God, you do well. I thank you very much. Yeah. But guess Lolo, I did a video that time when I never sabi make up my people. What did Lolo do? Lolo got that time Monica they play. Oh, that was last year, April. That I never know how to make up. I can't make up one makeup. I don't say too white. I don't make up and white. Lolo go cut my video for my page because all those people when God go punish when they go no go die better. If not do not say Monica they find trouble, Monica does step in people's toes. Now Lolo never step on people's toes. She's a great snake under the great grass. All those trouble since when Monica they put, when Monica they enter, she is the one that is advising her to her. She not the culprit. When God will take punish all those people when we say when they see the truth, they will not like to say it. When they see the truth, they will like to run away from the truth. Fine, say Monica. Now people they carry the matter, go they give Monica. Matter when they give Monica, me Monica talk. Now many past people when Monica just sit down insult. Like my own nana, they can't go give her the pay her money 50K. Yes, they pay her. Put. She not sit down, cost me money. But when Lolo sit down, she will say, I be paid. I know they cost person. I know they lie. I they do my own. I know they find trouble. Can you imagine Lolo go to my page? He go carry my video. He go download her, cut her, put her for a work. He put her not pay me. Lolo go there write rubbish. My people wanna come see make up when I make up. Mona come donate money for my enemy. My enemy they suffer. Make I take buy makeup. Now she and Monica now but they be first class makeup on social media. Like say me and the fighter. What you call concern me? Like say me and the fighter. She put and she writes rubbish put. People come begin they curse me for them. People come begin they laugh me for them. You shall never be well with you, Lolo. This message is for you, Lolo. Where? Because jealousy is what you do your best friend. Because of say the good. Jealousy not let you see road. You have the guts and the mind to they carry her matter up and down. Matter not let you talk. You talk the matter make you finish. It not let you finish because they no more boy or why so a green snake under the green grass. Life not better you. I have passport, you have passport. Passport to my jowa. You know if you use passport to do business. Many people get passport for this. Then number one and Lolo. Or come the war. You don't get passport. Who can get 2 years document? 2 or 3 or 5 years come better pass you. What is the use of that passport? I get passport. Passport help. Now here for they help you. Okay, where they give you that passport? Okay, because you don't get passport. You don't feel you don't work, you don't use and work. Now see government money. People when you see come 5 years, 3 years, when they see they with government, when they see they find government, when they see they look government hand, you still see get passport, you are still looking for government hand to give you. If government did not give you, don't go shop. You they say divorcee. Your imbecile boy when he day UK, when he leave you, he go marry Igbo woman. I go marry Igbo woman, collect husband for he won't give you Lolo, you be Igbo. Why you not go claim OVO OVR? Now OVR you supposed claim not be Lolo because we are not Igbo. Now Igbo woman supposed claim Lolo. Who give you because you married to Igbo? The man now don't run leave you because of your dirty and stinky character. He leave you, go sit down with Igbo woman for UK because of character no good. Now that one put your husband cassava put her for TOT. Now the winner. With your frustration, day before yesterday, frustration not let you sleep. You dey live video. The man they craze for them. People send that for me yesterday. The man they craze. You know fuck. When man zekia can't swear all say when man wekia. You know do. When be son not only Monica for waste. Mona forget the matter as Lolo. Lolo, this message is for you. Go and find a life. So tell your little boys is sorting you on live video. What a shame, what a disgrace. Stupid girl. He said stupid girl. They insult you for live video. You gonna do live video, shoot go me nya. Your baby now don't be almost how many years? I don't know be your mama. What of me when you still get small when never to grow? That one now your children don't grow, they say do nya up and down. Because lack of home training. Lack of home training. If not like 2 years, 1 year, 3 years, now 4 years, okay, they never get sense. That your last born not be 4 years speaking. When you don't they talk, you get sense. That your first son, senior son, all of them get born. Now when you take the live video, now they'll cut the shot. Back the door, off the door, on the light, dress her, off her, go inside. I'm coming. You enter house. Enter house, go release your life. So tell you carry the weave on you, they say she still leave you. Now you not still get rest of mind. You see they talk make you finish. Leave Monica alone. Other Monica matter go kill you. Now they pay you. They say someone now you for don't go there find another friend. She don't need you anymore. And Monica, don't you ever go close to this lady again. Not near her friendship. Let her cancel. If you like, let her talk heaven and earth. That is none of your business. Not let her concern you, Monica. Not let her concern you. So she come insult me. Now don't forget. May I remember when I waiting make me hate her. Because if they do, they'll say they don't find trouble. Not be say if I curse you. Not be say if I see your video for my wall. Not be say you do video when you for do mistake. I can't go cut and put for my page. Oh. No. Just because I'm growing up, she's looking for a way to bring her enemy down, not me. She shared the video. May they can't see me. So that Proko carry on. She can't share that Proko comment about they call at that time. I be village people. Yeah, village people. Now they rain that time. Not be a Proko. Village people. Now carry on that time. He can't share on. You are born allowed, but they say Monica. Look, Monica is her heart is more better than yours. You understand? She come outside and she apologized to everybody when she offended, when she know. You how many people you apologize to? How many people you apologize to me? You apologize to me for carrying my video without my consent to insult me? Did you apologize to me for carrying my own video in my own page? If I make up or not make up, we concern your mama, your papa. I be concern your generation, like mama, your stupid generation, your stupid sister, all of the new who are when they are alive, not let them come. Me don't they wait for you. Me I they find where to finish you, Lolo. Not be safe for maths. Because that thing you do last year, you curse me. You give her to Aproko people, make they curse me. I will never forgive you for that because I don't near you. This one now you can't find me trouble. Monica on now they carry my matter go give Monica. Monica don't sit down, can't see my video now for make her one, not make her wake up, they curse me. No, she didn't do so. She sit down for years so they call and give her matter. So she say apologize. Me don't forgive a long time ago because not be she called her for say where you there if you get matter, babe, bring and call me or give me or make I talk her for. No, she's not the one. Because of hatred, Babylon, they carry my matter go give Monica. When I still talk my way about her, when they say no gay, this one I still talk and she still not say she offend me. She not still reply me. I still let everything go. But I not go see where the for one kill and make I say because he carry my matter cost me last time I not talk true. I reason I say she not come meet me at the first place come they cost me. Monica don't know whether me they do live video. She not near me. Me not fair near her. She too not near me. More they talk true for where true today. If you not near Monica, Monica not they near you. If you not carry matter go give Monica, Monica not you the kind they sit down. May come find you trouble. Not be view she define. She don't already get her own follower. Let her be frank and sincere. Lord, this message is for you. Mind your fucking business. Mind your fucking business because that thing you do last year, I will never forgive you. She insults me. Now Monica still send her down. Now Monica still send her down one my people. No. Monica don't even know when she take one. Monica don't know when she tell. I see they carry fake account, they curse people. Fake account, they insult people here and there. Lolo, this message is for you. Leave Monica alone. And you, not to ever talk to me. Because if you talk to me, me azanzu we. Me I say me bog but we no my negbe no ha megbe wo wani. So kwe me tell me maru wa eva. Me guys say luwe. They all land na me o they gem na me udan me gi gbo oboke wu. You say you dey crazy. Now you born you go fit fight because you born not get power. O ha mu we sikeme. Imana gia joto I'll break you lolo. I go break you. Iwa break you way. Because I will never forgive you for carrying my video. Say I not sabi makeup. Narrate me follow all the social media. Narrate me follow everywhere. I can never forgive you for that. And I'm standing for the truth. And the truth shall set us free. Thank you, my beautiful people. So this message is for Lolo. It's for my Pursue the Enter House TV. Please subscribe. Anytime you join my video, subscribe so that we'll start live video there. God bless you and God bless you. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Drop your good opinion. Drop your good opinion. Thank you very much. All right. Bye for now.